In M&A, the biggest risk is not what you know, it is what you assume. Traditional financial models are static snapshots built on fixed assumptions. They tell you what happened. They cannot tell you what will happen under 1,000 different conditions.
Today, analysts spend weeks building complex models in spreadsheets. Static formulas, fixed assumptions, endless manual iterations. One change requires rebuilding the entire model. Strategic leaders are stuck validating formulas instead of evaluating deals.
V2T's DAS engine changes this fundamentally. Digital twin, AI, and simulation. 3 capabilities purpose-built for complex systems that spreadsheets simply cannot handle.
A digital twin is a living replica of a business. Every operation, every financial flow, every market dependency modeled in real time. Not a dashboard showing yesterday's data, a complete simulation that mirrors the real system and responds to changes instantly.
Run scenario analysis across every dimension simultaneously. Revenue projections, cost structures, synergy capture, integration risk. Layer in market volatility, regulatory changes, and competitive shifts. See how they interact, compound, and cascade through the entire system. Monte Carlo Simulation quantifies the full range of outcomes, not just the average case. Thousands of scenarios run in seconds. Probability distributions replace point estimates. You see the upside, the downside, and the tail risk that point forecasts always miss. The result? 1,000 times the scenario coverage. Models built in minutes, not months. Real-time sensitivity analysis that updates as conditions change. $500 million in measurable benefits already delivered for V2T clients. For M&A managers, deal teams, and portfolio companies, this means deeper valuation confidence, faster due diligence, and risk-aware deal structuring, moving analysts away from low-level modeling so they can drive the strategic decisions that matter. V2T Digital Twins and Simulation. Transform how deals are valued. Visit v2t.io.